Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design. Welcome to our channel. I just want to tell you a little bit about what we do. So I've loved flowers and gardening ever since I can remember, and I have a gardening business which I share with my team, which you'll see in a lot of my videos. It's really a cooperative work and a family affair. So you'll see my daughter, my grandchildren. I love how gardening brings people together. I love my dahlias. They are so beautiful in the garden or in a cutting arrangement. I'm lucky enough to be in Ireland. Beautiful day, and we're at the grower, one of the farms that we come to. I love my flower crafts, and this chandelier is a great example of some of the floral crafts that we do. One of the things that's really important as a gardener is to assess what worked and what didn't work the previous year, and that's so important for planning. But I couldn't be more thrilled to be learning about gardening in Florida and able to continue gardening through the winter. So that's it for our video today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please go ahead and tap like and come on and subscribe to us for lots more gardening videos.